In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the function concatenate. As you can see, I have already created a table which has 3 columns: first name, surname, and full name. The purpose of the concatenate function is to help us group data from several cells together. We need the employee's full name, so we are going to type our formula in cell C2. We need to type equals concatenate, open brackets. As you can see, it now shows us what we need to fill in next. The first is text 1. This is where we will select the first data we need. The first criteria I need is the first name, so I will click on A2. Once this is selected, we can type a comma and move on to the next criteria, which is text 2. For text 2, I'm going to type a space in quotations. This is so that there is a space between first name and surname. Then we can type a comma to close the current function and move on to the next. For text 3, we can select cell B2 so that the employee's surname will come after the space. If we have more than 2 cells to combine, such as if we have a title, first name, and surname, we need to continue the formulas as appropriate. Once this is done, we can close the bracket and click enter and drag the formula down. We can now see the employee's full name in the same column, and there you go.